Vanakkam, I'm Dr. Rajya Ravi. This video will see about what is assertiveness, why it is important, and tips to develop assertiveness. Assertiveness means it's your ability to express your belief, thoughts, emotions, and defending your own rights in a constructive way, neither passive nor aggressive. Let me tell you with one example. If you are insisted to work more than your regular hours in order to complete a particular project, right? During the time when you are passive, you just accept the deal and say yes. But at the same time, when you are aggressive, you just refuse the deal and express your emotions like, how can you ask me? Excuse me, how can you ask me? You people are always torturing the employees, blah, blah, blah. You just express your emotion aggressively and also refuse the deal without any evaluation. That is aggressive pattern. At the same time, when you are assertive, you just understand the situation and its importance and you just express your emotions like, I feel that we can able to complete the project by stipulated time, even without extending the hours. We can able to continue it by tomorrow itself. Or else, let us discuss what is the need of doing it in an emergency manner. Likewise, you just exercising your own rights without denying the rights of others. That is assertiveness. Remember, being assertive doesn't mean you speak softly. It's just how you make the opponent feel by respecting yourself and others. That is assertiveness. Now we'll see about why it is important. When you are assertive, you can able to maintain a good attitude. What is attitude? I'll put in a separate video. The link is in description. Okay, the number 2 is assertiveness reduces your stress level and anxiety level because of the thorough knowledge and awareness about the situation and its consequences. So likewise, assertiveness increases your self-esteem and the self-confidence. And it is an important and the best tip for managing your anger. Being assertive makes you to build healthy personal and professional relationships by augmenting trust and respect. Above all, assertiveness makes you a leader of positive influence. Now we'll see about tips to develop assertiveness. Number 1, self-awareness. Practicing embodied self-awareness makes you to be assertive. What is embodied self-awareness? A link in the description. Number 2, knowing and understanding your own rights in depth and understanding the situation and its consequences makes you and helps you to stand up for you by respecting yourself and others. Of course, this is a way to assertive. And number 3, knowing and understanding your strength and weakness, at the same time understanding your opponent's or team member's strength and weakness helps you to respond effectively in a challenging situation. A way to assertiveness. And number 4, setting healthy boundaries. Like learn to say no to the things which depletes you. This is very, very important, and don't feel guilty about saying no because you are saying no to the proposed request. Not, it doesn't mean you are rejecting the person. So setting healthy boundaries is very, very essential to develop assertiveness. And the next one is a positive self-talk, which is very, very important. Just be kind to yourself, and practicing self-compassion makes you to be an assertive fellow, assertive leader. And the next one is believing your self-worth. When you start worrying about yourself, you should believe your self-worth. That is very, very essential to be assertive, to be an assertive person. And last one, I'll put it in an acronym, label. LABEL. L for listen. Listening is a crucial and critical part for a human being. Listen patiently, listen without any judgments, and listen without any intention to deliver your ideas. So listening, followed by A for analyzing. Analyzing the fact, the delivered report, the request, the proposed request, the internal emotions, the outside situations and consequences. Analyze everything as a whole with a logical reasoning. So after that, just a B for breath. Just take a deep breath. Pause the moment because breath anchors the moment. It just avoids the distractions and deviations. So take a deep breath, LAB, finish it. Then E. Now it's the time to express. Express your belief, express your thoughts, express your emotions. Of course, when you follow these things, definitely you can able to express everything in a constructive way. And the last one is L. Now lead. Lead the people and lead the situation. Just take the accountability of your actions and its consequences. So these are the steps to develop your assertiveness. Remember, being assertive makes you to think and work for the win-win situations, which makes you to accept, to know your rights, your needs, and your emotions. At the same time, you can able to analyze, accept the other people's rights and emotions. This is a way to win-win situations, both in personal and professional relationships. So stay assertive, stay healthy. Thank you.